Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. This week's video is slightly different as I always create content related to social media and all that stuff. But this week I want to show you all a different aspect of my life. As our favorite Ganpati Bappa is at home today. So I want to show you something related to that. When we looked at this corona situation, we have decided to create our Bappa's Murti at home. Me and my two sister-in-laws, my favorite two girls, Vaishnavi and Moshi Sarvate, decided to create our own Bappa. So we followed the following procedure. First of all, we got some soil from Murtikars of our hometown. After that, we added some water to it and kept it for 2 days to set it properly. So here these two girls are mixing water with soil and they are having some fun because it was really a fun process. Second process that we followed was we blended the soil with our hands and legs to create a smooth and soft texture of that soil. And then we added some chalk powder to it and some cotton to it to make a good mixture with which we can create our favorite Bappa. So girls, what are you doing?
We are making Ganesh Ji ki murti at home.
Okay.
With lots of mud.
Okay.
Which is called mitti.
Yes.
First we prepare the mixture of normal mitti and chalk.
Look at here.
Chalk powder.
Okay.
Then now we are adding some cotton to bind it properly so that the idol doesn't crack. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So just
We
by
look at this mixture.
just by spreading the cotton properly, it shouldn't have any
Cracks or lumps. Okay.
Yeah, lumps in cotton actually. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, it will be hard to blend it properly.
Perfect.
It should
Perfect.
be spreaded very properly.
Nice. I will help you girls tomorrow. As tomorrow is Saturday.
Then
So yeah,
it's
this
done
is
like this.
perfect. So yeah, this is how we are going to make Ganesh Ji ki Murti at home this year. And after that, our final procedure of making our favorite Bappa started. So let's watch the process. So here, three of us are having so much fun. It was really an amazing and super fun process. We are creating a base for Bappa's Murti and we are making sure that that base should be really flat enough where our Bappa's Murti can stay still. And here we are having some chit chat, we are doing some carving on that base and we are making it even more flat by using some water. It helps to give that flat texture to our base. Now here the actual Murti making procedure has been started. Vaishnavi is making one hand of Bappa and Moshi is making Bappa's face and I am making Bappa's small rat. Now you can see here that we have a flat base now and Bappa's body is being made and we are trying to give the proper shape. We are trying to make his hands properly, his face properly. Also, we are having some fun while doing it. Now you can see Moshi is making the another hand of Bappa. Lots of discussion, lots of masti and lots of serious work is going on here. As you all can see here, basic structure of Bappa's Murti is done now. And we are having some dance here and so much enjoyment, because when we talk about Ganpati Bappa, happiness and enjoyment तो बनता ही है. Now Moshri and I are making a small modak plate for our dear Ganpati Bappa. Now we are giving some final touches to Bappa's Murti, as his pagdi is done, and we are creating 2 loads for him, and we are carving his loads as it should look really beautiful and rich. And these carving tools came really handy for us. You can get these tools in any kind of stationery store, and they are super user friendly. Vaishnavi is giving final touches to Bappa's trunk, as Ganpati Bappa's trunk is the major important part of this Murti. This is the first look of our Bappa's Murti, and now we will wait till it gets dry. So first we coated Bappa's Murti with primer and then distemper, and then we kept it for 1 day to get dry. And after that, again these 2 girls started painting Bappa's Murti. They've started from Bappa's pagdi, and as they say that Bappa loves the red color, so that's why we are coloring Bappa's pagdi with red color. After pagdi, now Moshri is painting Bappa's ears and Vaishnavi is painting Bappa's dhoti with yellow color. As they say, Bappa's dhoti is called Pitambar in Sanskrit, which means yellow cloth. So we are painting Bappa's dhoti with golden and yellow colors mixture. Here they are coloring Murti's base and loads, and they are giving final color touches to the whole Murti. Now the second coating is being done, and you have to coat the whole Murti for 2 to 3 times to give that perfect color and perfect texture to the Murti. After the whole coloring thing is done, then we will make Bappa's eyes, and then we will decorate our Bappa. Here you can see the third coating is going on, and then we will make Bappa's other features. Now Vaishnavi is making Bappa's eyes. As they say, eyes are the major important part of any Murti, and when we talk about Ganpati Bappa, the eyes should be perfect, and I'm really proud to say that she has done a great job here. And now we are decorating our Ganpati Bappa. And also his little chuha, means rat. here the final decoration is going on, and with the fevicol and different kind of decorating material, we are decorating our favorite Bappa. And tada! Here is the final look of our dear Ganpati Bappa. I hope you all liked it. I believe that we all should do something for our environment, and this was our try, our effort to do something good for our environment. So I hope you like this, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Do let us know in the comment section below that what is that one thing that you like the most about this process. You all also can try this process at home and make your own Ganesha next year. We will meet in next video next week. Till then, bye bye. Take care.